Hello guys, today I will show you how to draw a funny butterfly. Let's draw a circle, it will be a head of our butterfly. Then draw a body, outline the wings, next step is draw the antennae. Mark the legs, add some details on the wings, mark the eyes, and mouth. Continue to draw the details of wings, next step is outline the antennae and eyes with a black pencil. Colorize the pupils with the blue pencil. And colorize the head with the orange pencil. Draw the mouth and eyelashes with the black pencil and outline body and legs. Let's start colorize the body with the brown pencil. Next color is red. Finish colorize the body with the yellow pencil. Colorize the circles on the wings with the pink pencil. Next color is yellow. Outline the edges of the wings with violet pencil and fill them out. Let's start colorize the upper part of the wings with the blue pencil. Next color is yellow. Take a look. When we mix yellow and blue colors, we get a green color instead. Make the same with the other wing. You know, the butterfly is a favorite example of the symmetry in nature. It is easy to see that butterfly wings have the same shapes and colors. Symmetry is when the object looks the exact same on one side as the other. To see if an object is symmetrical, you draw a line of symmetry or a line dividing an object to show the perfect match on each side. It's like making a mirror image. Continue to colorize the other part of the wings with the yellow pencil. The next coloring layer is pink. When pink and yellow color are mixing, we get orange color. Make the same color gradient from the yellow to the pink on the second wing. Outline the edges of the bottom wings with violet pencil and fill them out. Divide the bottom wings on 3 parts with the violet pencil. Next step is fill out the first part of the bottom wing, the color gradient from the yellow to pink. Make the same color gradient on the symmetrical part of wing. Make next color gradient from the yellow to blue. The remaining part of wings colorize with the pink pencil. Last step is outline some details with the black pencil. We're almost done. I hope you like this lesson. So, see you soon on my next one.